back. What are y'all up to? You're talking to Tori, she's talking to me. Oh, okay, I was like, y'all both just trying to play games. No. Yeah.
Thinking about it a lot. There we go.
So we looked at each other.
It's kind of hard not to.
We gotta figure it out.
Perfect. Perfect.
Like this.
How's that low back treatment?
It gets tight every now and then, but
It's not like it was. Go on your side facing me. Good, good. Push your knee up against the target.
I was thinking, yeah.
Let your shoulder go back, man.
That's where I was. I know, I was
Frog your leg.
yeah.
You all right? Yeah. Okay. I felt my leg slip. It was like, oh, I bet that hurt.
oh my God.
That's what you want is to get dead leg while you're at the chiropractor.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
That's called repeat business.